what the fuck? I leave here 5 minutes to get something to eat and you take my fucking spot, dude?
This is my box.
Man, fucking... There you go again, man. Always trying to gaslight me and shit.
It is my box. I've always been here.
Nah. Bullshit, man. I told you I need that fucking box. I had it reserved from 2:30 to 4:30 to work on my goddamn dream catchers so I can start selling them on Etsy. We fucking agreed, man.
I honestly don't remember that.
You're just lucky that I left my bujitsu staff in the neighbor's yard and don't want to risk getting a public intox.
Ah, yes. The stick.
That stick is more dangerous than a gun in the right paws, alright? What were we talking about again?
You were about to go get some food.
Hell yeah. That's what's up.